Hello there, and welcome to Deckster Academy, where we teach smart people how to make smart presentations. Today, we're fixing one of the biggest reasons presentations flop: the title.
What, like it's hard?
Here's the deal: if your title doesn't spark interest, no one will listen. And in the worst case scenario, no one will even attend your presentation. Your title sets expectations, builds curiosity, and buys you attention. And who doesn't want attention? In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to fix boring titles, use proven tactics, and make people actually want to see your deck. Let's start with a simple truth. Titles are the headlines of your presentation. And like advertising legend David Ogilvy said, 5 times more people read the headline than the body. That makes your title your MVP. If you're into making people care with fewer words, read Ogilvy's On Advertising, an eternal classic.
Tell the truth, but make the truth fascinating. You know, you can't bore people into buying your product. You can only interest them in buying it.
Great titles are clear, relevant, and emotional. They tell people what to expect and why they should care. To understand what makes a great title, let's start with what doesn't work. Take as an example: weekly update, vague and completely forgettable. Now try this instead: why our churn rate spiked and what we're doing about it. The first one gets skipped. The other one gets clicked. Be clear, be concise, and speak like a human. Now let's bust a few myths. Myth number 1: fancy titles sound smart.
What you don't know is that that sweater is not just blue, it's not turquoise, it's not lapis, it's actually cerulean.
Wrong. In reality, simple and clear titles win. Myth number 2: longer equals better.
Don't ever, for any reason, do anything to anyone for any reason, ever.
Nope. And myth number 3: jargon equals expertise.
With customer success as our primary focus, work has been proceeding on the crudely conceived idea of an instrument that would not only provide inverse reactive current for use in unilateral phase detractors, but would also be capable of automatically synchronizing cardinal gram meters.
That's how you get polite nods and 0 follow-up questions. To lock it in, here's the case study. A team sent a calendar invite called Analytics Migration Plan. Half the room thought it was a tech walkthrough, when in reality it was actually about budget cuts.
Yeah, they had us the first half, I'm not gonna lie.
What would have worked better? Analytics costs are eating our hiring budget. Clear, relevant, and now they're listening. Now, imagine you're pitching analytics tool migration. Don't say post-hog plan. Instead, say, cut our analytics cost by 80% in 30 days. Let's wrap it up. Your title is your hook, your single, and best chance to earn attention. If it doesn't land, nothing else will. This is the title types toolkit you really need. 1. The offer. Title. Start with a bold promise. Cut the tool costs by 80%. Short. Tangible. You had them at savings. 2. The promise title. Tease a transformation. A smarter way to build roadmaps. It hints at value without giving it all away. 3. The problem solution title. Name the pain and hint at the fix. We're bleeding revenue from churn. Now you've got their attention. 4. The secret title. Make it feel exclusive. The hidden metric execs actually care about. Feels like an insider info. Everyone's in. And 5. The proclamation title. We're 5 quarters behind and no one's saying it. Be bold. Use these as starting points. Mix them, remix them, but don't forget clarity, emotion, relevance. That's the trifecta that makes people care. Got a title you're working on? Drop it in the comments. I'll give it a thumbs up. Everything you just saw, from title ideas to presentation flow, was made in Deckster. Want that magic for your next pitch? You know what to do.